Want to generate an SSH key in Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and visit hostinger.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Websites section from the menu panel and select Websites List. Choose the website you want to work on and go to its dashboard. On the next page, scroll down in the middle panel and click on Advanced. Then select SSH Access. If your SSH status is inactive, simply click the Enable button to activate it. Now, scroll down to the SSH Keys section. Click on Add SSH Key, and you will be prompted to enter a name and your SSH public key. Fill in the details and click Add Record. That's it. You have successfully added an SSH key to your Hostinger account. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Want to get a discount on Hostinger? Use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount. See you in the next video.